Welcome to our tutorial on how to search for filters in Facebook with the updated features. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you are logged in to your account to access the filter options. Step 2. To create a new post, tap on What's on your mind at the top of your feed. This will prompt you to start composing your post. Step 3. Choose to upload a photo-video from your device's gallery or tap on the camera icon to capture a new photo or video in real time. Step 4. Once you're in the camera mode, look for the search icon located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the search icon to access the filter options. Step 5. Swipe through the available filter options to find the perfect one that suits your post. Explore different filters to enhance your photo or video creatively. Step 6. After selecting the desired filter and customizing your post, you can save it, set the audience for your post, and share it on your timeline or as a story for your friends and followers to see. By following these steps, you can easily search for filters in Facebook to add a touch of creativity and fun to your posts. Experiment with different filters to make your posts more engaging and visually appealing. Enjoy exploring the filter options and creating captivating posts on Facebook with the updated features.